Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get your Perplexity AI API key. Let's get started. First, go to perplexity.ai and log in your account. On the left panel, click on the downward button right next to your account profile. This will open a menu where you will click on the All Settings option. This will open the settings where you will click on API Group under the API section, and fill out all the necessary information like the API group name and description right here. After that, click on API keys, and this will open a new page where you will click on Create Key. Perplexity AI will make an API key for you. You just have to copy it and use it wherever you need. And that is how you can get your Perplexity AI API key. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.